Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today, guys, we're going to make we're going to make chicken, tandoori chicken. Tandoori chicken, okay? And I got that recipe from my friend, and today I'm going to see if I got everything right. So let me show you guys what I have for you. This is my favorite, guys, okay? As you can see, I have my chicken, okay? Already cleaned up, washed real good, okay? And here I have my yogurt, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, okay? And I have all my spice. I have you know what, guys, I'm not going to use everything that she gave me. I'm just going to use some of it, okay? In this bowl I have dry parsley, which I want to use, and I have 1 teaspoon of salt, and red chili powder, okay, and cumin, and malasa, yes, and turmeric, okay. Okay, and I have 1 lime juice, okay, and I have my ginger paste, and I have some vegetable oil, okay. And also, she said I can use some red coloring food. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my gloves, guys. Okay. Okay. First, I'm going to add my black pepper. Okay. I'm adding a little extra, guys. Okay. And I'm adding my, you know what? Let me just do my ginger powder first. Paste first. Okay. And I'm going to add all my spices all together. Oh, I hope I don't sneeze, guys. My lime juice, okay. Oil, okay. Now I'm adding my yogurt, okay. And I'm going to mix everything up. Okay, you have to make sure you get everybody in. Okay, you know what? I think I'm going to use my food coloring, guys. I have to go get it. Okay, guys, I'll be back. Okay, let me take off one glove. Okay, come back, okay? Okay, guys, you see that? I already add a little bit of my food coloring, guys. Okay, a little tiny, it's optional. If you don't want to use it, it's fine, okay? You see that? Okay, that's the color you want to have. I think my friend's gonna be proud of me. And by the way, guys, I have some Indian white rice already cooked. Okay. All right. So what I'm going to do, guys, now I'm going to clean up my hand a little bit and then get my pizza tray ready, because that's what I'm gonna cook my chicken in. Okay, my oven already warmed up, guys, on 350. Okay. So when we come back, I'll show you guys everything else. Okay. Come back. Okay, guys, now it's time for me to put you see, I have my tray. Okay, what I did, guys, I add a little bit of vegetable at the bottom. Okay, so the chicken, because I don't want my chicken to get stuck in the foil paper. Okay, so I'm just like that. Okay, okay, and I'm going to put it in the oven, guys. Okay, if you want, guys, you can do it on the grill, whatever you want to do, but today I'm going to use my oven. Okay, I don't want to put my hands in the chicken, guys. It looks so good, guys, and it smells so good already. I can't wait, guys. I love that chicken tandoori, guys. Okay, I'm going to put it in the oven, guys. Okay, dry my hand. I'm going to put that in the oven, and then when we come back, everything should be, I'll show you guys the rest. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now the chicken's ready. Let me show you guys how it comes out. Look at that, guys. You see that? You see that? My first time making the tandoori chicken. Okay, looks very nice, right? Okay, my friend's gonna be so proud of me. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, I have my rice already in the plate. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just get something else, and then when we come back, everything should be ready to eat. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, now I have everything. My plate is ready. Okay, so all I have to do, guys, to garnish it with a little fresh parsley, okay, and some dry parsley on my rice. Okay, on the chicken. Yep, that's it, guys. Okay, guys, it's very easy. Beautiful, right? Okay, my tandoori chicken. Alright, guys, that's it, guys. If you guys like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up and leave a comment for this video, guys. Okay, remember to share with your family and friends. Okay, and guys, this is a very easy dish. Okay, make sure you give it a try. Okay, so as I mentioned before, my friend going to be so happy the way she sees that. Okay, so have a wonderful day. Bye.